Hello friends, this is Kailash Sharma from INTRADAY. Friends, I welcome you in my channel INTRADAY. Friends, today I will gift you some New Year gift on your New Year. Friends, I have tested various things in market, and you might have heard about different people talking different things, and they are confusing people. Okay, they are confusing traders. I will just give you simple tricks, friends. Just so simple tricks, so simple that would make your trading as simple as doing anything. It's just like watching TV or anything you wish. You just close your TV channel or anything, friends. Just like you go to, I say, in your neighborhood market, you shall go some fruit seller, you go some vegetable seller, you go some grocery, and you buy whatever you want. Right? It's that simple. Don't make it complicated, friends. There are many who fool people by saying they give them different things, saying you pay us for this amount, 10,000, 20,000, and we will tell you some strategy, and we will teach you. Right, friends? So, friends, I will give you today. I will give you such a wonderful strategy, such a simple strategy that if you follow with a proper risk-reward ratio, with a proper risk management, I guarantee, friends, you will be a winner. Right, friends? So here in the beginning, you won't trust me. You won't. Maybe it doesn't sound good to you that there is a person saying like this, but I challenge you that you cannot make losses if you follow a proper risk ratio, if you know the proper risk management. Friends, many a times I say to my friends that don't go for option trading. The reason being they are new in market. They don't know even the ABC of market, and they directly come in market, and one day they make a big profit in option. Then they start running up the options, and the ultimate result is they are a big loser. I guarantee you, friends, those who don't have knowledge of trading in options, just by gaining few times, making few profits, I would say that they would have made profit by chance. But that by chance made profit make them, we can say, so curious to trade in options. They don't talk anything. They just talk of options. I visit daily at least 3 to 5 people who daily talk to me. They daily ask me about option strategy. Friends, I have studied option from the depth, from the bottom. I know everything about options, but even I avoid options because in my beginning trading years, I have been in trading in this market for last 10 years or even more. I'll tell you a story about simple. I'm not just going in deep. There's a simple. I entered in the year 2007 in this market with a simple mutual fund of SBI. And you know, friends, all of you are well aware about the 2008 crash in the market. Right? Sorry, I entered in 2008, soon after the crash. And at that time, I didn't know anything about stock market. I just entered up. I bought a mutual fund for 1,000 per month. And you know, friends, that grew in just, I would say, in just, let me calculate. By 2012-13, I got 80% return in that. Yes, friends, you don't trust me. My total investment was, I don't know exactly how much time, but maybe some 2012 or 13. My total investment was only 88,000. How much? Only 88,000 through SIP, and the amount I earned, that was 2 lakh. what was my profit? 2 lakh about. Just at an investment of this 88,000, I earned 2 lakh. So friends, I started trading with that mutual fund, with starting that mutual fund, and in the meanwhile I jumped in the stock market with opening a trading account in my one of my nearby neighborhood broker. This is through neighbor bank securities, you might know. Okay, I started trading, and beginning I made few profits, but slowly I started and got going down in the cycle and started at losses. Sometimes profits, sometimes losses. Initially I didn't knew about any discount brokers, but then I visited one of the person, I don't name here anyone, who introduced me to Zerodha, the discount broker. And you know, even friends, when I entered in Zerodha discount broker, I traded mostly in options. I traded option without knowledge of options. I traded about 3-4 years in options, and the results were overall I got a loss. Meanwhile, I took services of different advisory companies. I would not name anyone here, but simply speaking, they are all useless. Friends, nobody can help you. They're just a spoon feeding, and even once you try to even get spoon feeding, you try to get these services by paying heavy charges. Those people just give you a single or 2 or 3 calls a day and say you to trade. They don't even tell how to trade and when to trade and nothing. They just give a call and say to trade, and this. If there is a loss, they give a silly excuse saying we will recover it. But once your month approaches and your monthly charges are finished, they say you just pay this amount and then we will recover your losses. So see friends, there are so many, I have seen so many people. So I simply strictly say you that don't enter in this market without knowledge, especially in options. Try to learn, friends. Friends, if I tell you my daily routine, I daily give at least 3 to 4 hours of my daily life to learnings. Minimum 2 hours, friends. At least for 2 hours I either study some charts, I either study even my own trades. I go through my own trades and check my mistakes, where I was wrong, where I put stop loss and where it was hit, what was my fault, where I was wrong. I just I just go through study those things, and I study different things. I go to YouTube, Google search, and study different books online through different modes, different strategies. Right, friends? So friends, of my different study of we can say about 8, I could not say that of 8 years I was in study. Frankly speaking, friends, I have been studying this stock market truly with dedication since last 3 to 4 months and maximum 6 months. And what I have learned in 6 months, I guarantee you, friends, my strategies, my tricks today that I am gifting you all. I'm saying it's my gift. I have promised my friends few days back, 2-3 days back, that on New Year I will gift you some strategy that will make you a winner. So here comes to, and friends, today I'm making this video in English because in my channel there are about 650 people, 673 people at present, maybe even more, because I check sometimes some people leave me, then they come back and join me. Right, even I contacted various people that why you left it. They said there is a lot of advertisement, and I laugh at them, friends. And I said, friends, what are you saying? My my channel has no ad. We don't advertise anybody because I'm the only channel. I challenge you friends. I'm the only channel who is meant to help people truly with heart. I guarantee you there is none who is willing to help you with heart. There are various who are telling you different tricks, different strategies, even free, but not with heart. They're not giving their full to you. They're not giving full knowledge to you. They don't share full knowledge with you. They give you incomplete knowledge. Right friends? So today what I'm gifting you is really wonderful. I will show you with charts, I will show you with trades, I will show you in different stocks. So heavy start friends. Yeah, what I was telling you, that there are few people in the channel who don't know Hindi. They want video in English. So today I focused to give you in English this video, this strategy. The strategy is nothing friends. It's a very simple, it's my observation friends. I tell you there is nothing like strategy. There is nothing like winning or losing strategy. There is nothing like this. Friends, you have to observe market. Observe market like a hawk. Have you heard about the hawk? That's a predatory bird who eats small birds sitting on the top of a tree. That keep watching different birds in the we can say bottom layer of the earth, in the surface of the earth. And once it gets someone closer, it jumps and catches it and eats it. So I observe market in that way friends. I have various stocks in my list. Let me show you first list. Here I have Bank Nifty, January future, February Nifty, February future, and so you can see different. You can see my list. There is Reliance Capital, Reliance Infra, Jet Airways, various friends. Work hard. Let me show you. There are about 20 stocks roughly. I could say 15, at least 15, because you know in one you can see here it is one. There are 5 pages. It's my Zerodha Kite app. Okay friends, and here is one. You can see there's first, then second, third, fourth and 5. So I would have added at least 10-15 stocks in different list. That will show the last one. There will be a few. There are just 4. There is Nila Infra. I've suggested it to my friends to buy it at 22 level. About 1 and 2 months back, 1 month, 1.5 months back, I think roughly. Now it has grown to 27 level. Okay friends, so let's show you the 4th page. What is there? I have kept different stocks in my watch list. I keep watching them. I see a movement, I see a change in them. Whenever they move 1% or so, right, I go and check the charts, what they're showing. Right friends. So I occasionally check these stocks. Okay. So we'll come to first page, and without wasting time, let us start friends. Let us know the strategy. I have opened Bank Nifty future charts in front of you. You can see the screen. It is Bank Nifty futures with a 5-minute time frame. It's a simple plain chart friends. Now let me show you, let me add what strategies I would be going to add. Here friends, my most popular strategy with 5-minute time frame is ADX DMS indicator. Right, I mark it shaded, a histogram also, and just click it done. You can see friends, ADX has been added. Now again go to studies. This time I would add super trend indicator. It's as usual, I click it done only, no changes. And you could see somewhere this is a sell signal, this is a buy signal. You can see friends, it just started showing signals. Let's go on to next I will add a moving average, two moving averages, friends. This is the most important thing I am gifting you today, friends. On this day, for intraday, the best is, as per my observation, is 21 period moving average. This is weighted moving average, 21 period. You can select a weighted. So you can see, friends, a red line has been put in, and there is a red color, you keep it done. So once check it clearly, friends. Moving average with 21 period. Field is closed, type is weighted. You just have to click two things, select two things. One is 21st period and weighted type, and click it done with red color. Done. Next is again moving average, because I am adding here two moving averages. Okay, this is 30 and weighted again. So simply here, friends, again I am adding 13 period. This is a different 13 period and weighted moving average, but I will change the color to green. So here we select green, dark green color. Okay, friends, it is done. You can see the line, green line, and you can see, so see here it's written 13, sorry, MA 13 WMA. That is weighted moving average. Click it, done. Okay, friends, let's move to our strategy. I will add one more thing. Maybe it's not that important, friends, right? But the most important thing is this moving average, friends. See, you have to check this. You can use super trend and moving average. These two can do wonders for you. But for more confirmation, I add ADX, or in place of ADX, friends, you can use even MACD, MACD. Let me show you here. This is MACD, MACD. You will not change anything. You just click it done as usual. Click it done. So hey, you can see, friends, this MACD gives even better signals. See here. See the time. Friends, this is today's chart, but Bank Nifty future, January future has given a buy with super trend yesterday at the time of closing. You can see here it is 29th December. This is 3 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, time. That is the end of just 15 minutes before close. The super trend has given a buy signal. And you see, friends, with matched with ADX. Let me bigger the charts. Okay, let me go back. And you see, that is yesterday's position of super trend has given a buy. Matched with ADX. Can you see ADX? There is a separation between. See here, friends, clearly. ADX has given a clear buy signal with green line above the red line. It's a clear indication. You know, when you have to focus on this thing, friends, this thing, this very thing. The most important, I trust this ADX. When I see separation between green and red lines, there must be a clear-cut separation, not a just minor separation. You know, you can see here, there's a little bit separation. It's not that clear. You can see here, you can see here, friends, see, the green is above and red is below, but there's a little separation. Don't go for such signals. You can be trapped there. You won't even get big movements and you may lose. I don't want anybody to lose anything, especially from today onwards, because I'm gifting you such a wonderful strategy. Even if you make losses, I will frankly say, friends, you are not for this market. You should not trade. You stop trading. Yes, if you lose after this strategy, I don't say that it's 100%. You may lose sometime, but later on, not just big losses, right? But if you follow this strategy properly, I guarantee you will rarely lose. Okay, so here you see, friends, The separation between green and red line, it's quite big separation, and you see the volume candles are increasing. So once you get this confirmation, yeah, you have, here's a little volume. Volume is so small. You can even check me match with volume indicator. Right? So you have to confirm at least 2-3 things. You have to take confirmation of 2 to 3 things. One, you keep volume indicator. Secondly, either you use MACD. I'm just showing you MACD because either you use this ADX or you can use MACD. Don't confuse yourself with too many indicators. Stick to maximum 2 or 3 indicators. Maximum. I have used one moving average. Even I say this moving average is enough to trade. You don't even have to go for many things. Just watch this moving average. It's a wonder. It does wonders. Now let me show you how to play with this moving average. I will take confirmation through ADX or MACD, MACD. But see here, friends. You have seen super trend has given us what this buy signal, and you see the separation between this moving average, weighted moving average 13 and weighted moving average 21. See, your weighted moving average 13, it should be in green color. You can place it in any other color, but for convenience, green is you can say is for buy and red is for sell. So once you can see the WM weighted moving average is below the green 13 green WMA, and both are showing separation. You see, friends, there are at many places there is little separation. Here you can see clearly there's a separation going on, right? So at this point you would have entered. See, this is the level of 25,566. Suppose if you enter here, you can easily make, I don't say big, but this is at least 620. So you can calculate, friends, there are about minimum 50 to 70 points. Minimum. And one time you can see, one time it has gone down as well. But you don't have to worry, because this line, this green line is still above. So sometime the things may go up and down. Right, friends? Things may go up and down. You don't worry about this. You just worry about these lines. The green line is still above and the red is below. Means you need not to worry. So don't worry. Trust on your moving average, weighted moving average. Trust on your strategy. Trust on yourself, your trade. If you don't trust anything, don't enter trade. Friends, I would say you practice these things on paper trade, or you just practice this thing by buying or selling just one share only. Just see it. Just practice it. Once you are very sure, you are confirmed, you are confident about strategy, you got the confidence, then now you can really even take control of your emotions. Now you're psychologically you have developed strong. You have grown strong. You should be mentally sound. You should be psychologically. It's trading is psychology, friends. It depends on the psychology of the traders. So you have to be psychologically strong. Trust on yourself, your trade. Don't get moved by the words of other people. If you are in trade, you have taken the trade, you get responsible, become responsible to accept the trade, and if you lose or gain, take its credit to you on. Don't blame others for your losses. Normally what happens, people easily blame others for their losses, but they don't even thank when they get some profit. That time they say, it is my trade, I earned this. But they don't, we can say, credit the person on whose, we can say, advice or help they have traded. Right, friends? But if you get losses, you start blaming the people who have made you that, we can say, that pick or anything. We blame others easily, friends. So there's nothing like this. If you're a trader, you have to take responsibility of your trade. You have to take responsibility of your profit, and you have to take responsibility of your losses. Okay, so let's move forward. So here we see there's a separation. So friends, you have to check for this. There was a separation is continuously going on, right? Separation is going on. So you can book profit at this level. You have to see if there's you find something. See, there's a candle, huge candle, and then after you see a little down, and one red candle, and after that another red candle. You can take profit at this level, friends, because you have started seeing there. You can, if you don't take profit here, you can take profit at this point. At least. Let me show you. This is a 25,565, and this is 25,596. At least, friends, I would say 30-40 points. But here the trade goes. It moves on, and you could see that the both moving averages are now they are coming close. That means now the market has been in a range bound. It's in a range bound. So there was no clear-cut sign of either to buy or sell. So here at this point, friends, when I saw this crossover again, I saw the 21 WMA weighted moving average has crossed this green line. At this point, I gave a sell. You would have seen my trade today. You can see it in groups and channels. Then go and sell. I told it somewhere at this level or even below this. With a stop loss, I took a stop loss of this, about this moving average. I took the stop. I did a little mistake, friends. I took a very small stop loss of 25,590. That was my mistake today. I realized because one of my friend lost. Yeah, I kept stop loss here. That was a clear-cut mistake. So today even I learned a lesson because I took a very small stop loss. If I would have taken a stop loss, see at this, I would have taken a stop loss at least this level, friends, because it's a bank nifty, friends. Okay, you can take stop loss at the high of the day. At this point, this is 25,000. Actually, 25 high of the day was 25,622. I remember it. But even you would have kept a stop loss of 25,605 or 600 even. That would have done a wonder for you. So see here. Once it fell to from this level, it moved down to this 20,576 are in 75 levels. Then it moved up, right, and it hit our stop loss. Somewhere it hit our stop loss, friends. It is not clearly showing. Let me make the chart bigger. It has hit a stop loss. Stop loss was hit, friends, but it hit a stop loss at this level, I think. Yeah, a stop loss was hit. No, sorry, I have taken the wrong position, friends. It was here. I have given a sell over here at this level. Yeah, I given a sell here. I took that wrong, sorry. Okay, I have given a sell at this. We can say one stupid trend has given a sell, and ADX was showing a green signal. I trust mostly. I didn't. Sorry, friend. I didn't check MACD because it's not given that. Even it has given, but I trust this ADX. So I have seen a great divergence between two, red and green, and I say here, friends, to sell with a stop loss of this. Yeah, this is my stop loss of super trend. Yeah, 25,590 was my stop loss. It was my mistake, friends. If I would have kept it at this level, little above this height of this, that is 25,600 level, okay, then it will be safe. And with this mistake, you know, you have seen once it couldn't come down, I said it would break 100 point minimum, but it immediately, after a few minutes, it recovered. Then it fell down again, and finally it hit a stop loss at this level. You can see it just hit stop loss at this one point, and then again the buy was triggered. But you can see, friends, here the ADX has not given a clear buy. So I said, friends, not to, it would fail, but don't just enter in trade. Your stop loss was hit. You agree about this? About 15 to 20 point stop loss was hit. So I had a regret for that. That it's my mistake. I kept it a very small. I took a very small risk in case of an index. That was big index. It's a volatile index. Back Nifty, I dared to take a very stop loss of just 15 points. That was my mistake. Okay, and stop loss was hit here, and it moved up to maximum this level, friends, 22,597, 98 levels. Okay, here you can see here, but it didn't hit 25,600 is not touched. So approximately 2 points or 1.8 points was safe. So it was a mistake that I did today. Okay, and then you again see, friends. Now again, let me show you here. It again, because this signal was a little false signal, because there was not a big movement, just 15-20 points movement and super trend. But you can see here, friends, this is the important thing that I want to show you. See here, friends, here the ADX has not given a clear indication. You can see there's a little green line just has crossed just red, but there was no clear divergence between the two. Divergence, there was no separation, and even MACD has not given it. So I'm adding, you can add either MACD, MACD, or you add just ADX. There are many people who say that we don't have this ADX in our charts. So for those, I would say that they use MACD. Right, friends? You can use MACD in your charts if you don't have ADX. And those who have ADX, they can use ADX. So this is the new thing I have added here, because, friends, so far I was trading through ADX only, but I observed, I studied this MACD, and I have this strategy on my 21 and this 13 WMA. It was my old strategy. I have told my friends approximately 2 months back. I have given this to everyone in my one of the WhatsApp group. There we have grown up to 50 now, but initially the group was restricted to only 15 to we can say 25-30 people, right? So the group has grown as a family now. I don't think that's a WhatsApp group. That's whenever I go there, I feel like I'm in my family, and I am at home. I feel so comfortable, because everyone is so we can say respectable and so good. I have no words, friends. I would simply say once I in my group, I feel like at home. So there I have shared this strategy with my friends, right? But I have made some additions to this. Addition is ADX. It has been told about 1 month back to people, but now what I'm giving, because I found many people, they're saying that we don't have ADX and how we trade, how we take confirmation. For those people, I'm adding this MACD, MACD, and super trend. No need of super trend, friends. Super trend and MACD look like same. You see here, see this super trend has given a false signal. Sometimes super trend gives false signals, but this my WMA strategy, this 21 and 13 strategy is not shown an indication So I was confirmed. I told that it would fall, but don't know when, because nobody is 100% sure. So I had a little doubt of 1% that this super trend has given a buy. Now it may rise. Maybe it can rise. I was a little doubtful because it's a case of Bank Nifty, and it's a very big index, and it's a very volatile index. So being 100% confirmed, I was 1% doubtful, but I still told that it would break fence, but for the time being, keep away from it. Okay, you see that it has not given any indication. There's a very little separation between the lines. Now let us move forward. See here, this is by 250, friends. 250, 255 around. This super trend has given a sell, and you see that this divergence between red and green line and ADX, and same is the case with your MACD. The red line of the MACD is above this black line of MACD. So it clearly shows, friends, and now it's a sell. And at this time, this point, you can see this 21 WMA is above the 13 WMA. See, friends, see 13 or see 13 MA is down, and this 21 WMA is above. It has given a wonderful separation, and you can see super trend is given. So you can use, just friends, even you can avoid this super trend. There are friends who talk to me, who comment me, who say, friends, sir, we don't have this super trend in our charts, so how can we trade? So it is for those who don't have super trend. It is strategies for those who don't have ADX. I hope MACD is present in every chart, everywhere, and moving average is also available everywhere. So you can add this weighted moving average, 21 red and 13 green. Take it like super trend. Once you see the clear separation between this red and the green line, you take your position. You see, you have to confirm this, that the gap should keep widening, and you can see at just one candle, at the just first candle, the gap is separating. There's a big candle, friends. One more thing, you have to see the length of the candles. Here you can see there are short candles. This is one of the strategy, friends. Many people see these things only. They see the size of the candle. You have to confirm this thing. When the candles are big, so definitely a big move is about to come. And you see that, take the confirmation from WMA 21 and 13. It's a very good strategy, friends. I guarantee you will be winner if you follow this strategy. Use one of the indicators, ADX or MACD, with these moving averages, and you can work wonders. Now what about targeting stop loss? Your stop loss simply would be a few points above this line, this 21st or 13 WMA, few points. You can take high of the next previous candle. You can take high of the previous candle. You see previous candle high was 25,587. You can take stop loss at this point, and you can short sell at this point, 25,575. You can sell here or at 70 level, right, friends? So you can see from this point, if you could have got it at here, even at the middle of this candle, you can clearly see this going down, and especially this line has crossed, red line has crossed green line, so you can short it, and you see the fall now. It went down sharp at this level, 20,449, more than 100 points fall, friends. You can see if you would have shorted here 20,560, let us take 70, okay, or even let us take 10 points below, 25,561, 60, friends, and let us see where it is. 20,470. This is 60 friends. See here 460. It has gone down in 100 points easily in Bank Nifty. That's a very big move, friends. It has gone down to 20,422 levels. So you could have a book profit. You friends, you have to take down. You can take the targets open. Keep watching on the gap between red and the green line. Once you again see the lines coming close, you close your trade. This is as simple. Close your trade. Book your profit. Or once you see some candles are moving after fall a few candles, if you see if it started rising, but though it was not risen anywhere, it had gone down at every point, right? So you could have book profit at the last candle. There's a little doji formation here, you can see here. Okay friends, you can even have book profit at this point. It was a wonderful profit, more than 100 points. Right friends, and you can see the divergence is quite big, so you need not to worry at all till the divergence is there, that the gap is there. Once you can see that gaps is shrinking down, or you can take the help of the, in case of MACD, you can see red and red and black lines are far away from each other. So you need not to worry about till there's a gap. And both the lines are moving down. Friends, take confirmation of this. I take confirmation of once I use MACD, I'm very damn confident, because you know till these lines are going down, none of the line has started rising up. Once it started rising up a little bit, even just that just turned about a little one, you can take profit. You can book profit. So friends, this is as simple. I would say you need not to do any technical analysis, nothing. You just follow simple charts, go and trade. Nobody can stop you from winning. But before I close my today's video, I would simply say you that don't forget your risk reward ratio. Don't get overconfident. Many of us make losses only when we get overconfident. I am not overconfident. I have confidence over. I have full confidence over my strategy. I am not overconfident. Don't think that I am overconfident. I have full confidence on my strategy, because I've seen my strategy. I have practiced it. I have backtested it many times. Even in live market, friends, I share direct charts to you. Many of you have seen, or in my channels or in my group, you would have seen it. I show it. I directly post charts in the group and say go and short this or go and buy this. So friends, it's that simple. I'm not overconfident. Don't think I'm overconfident. I have full confidence in my strategy, so I work accordingly. And don't think I'm always a winner even I make losses. Yes friends, even I make losses even at present, but if I am wrong somewhere, my loss is maximum to maximum 2% of my trading capital, not more than that. And I play for a minimum profit of 4%. So if I make 2 trades in a day, and if one of the trade goes with a stop loss, even then I have a profit of 2%. So overall I would have 2% profit, and let us take 1% brokerage more. Even I am profitable at 1%. I'm taking a very simple calculation, just taking just 1%. So friends, mean to say you will not lose. Don't take more than 2 or 3 trades in a day. You have to take 1 or 2 trades, 2 or 3 trades maximum in a day. And out of 3 trades, suppose even if you lose 2 trades, you win 1 trade, that is by 4%. So you will be at no profit, no loss. Right? So this is a strategy, friends. So friends, this is my gift to all of you on this year, and I hope after this strategy you will not need to go to after anyone. Right? Just trust on yourself. Just friends, you can add many things. You can add different. You can change different things to your strategy. You can modify this strategy. I work on 5 minutes time frame. I use super trend. I use ADX or MACD, any of these two, and I use weighted moving average. These are the things, friends. You can even avoid super trend. You can take just this moving average of 21 and 13. You have to work on crossovers. Whenever red line crosses the green line, you have to sell a stock or an index, and whenever this green line crosses the red line with separation, you keep in mind, you have to take confirmation from this separation. There should be clear separation between the two. Once there is a separation, you go and buy. When this green line crosses red line and the separation is increasing, you go and buy a stock. Right, keeping a stop loss just above or below this, the previous candle high. Or even you can keep the stop loss at the separation just as few points above the separation of this red or green line, just above or below the separation. Few points, you can take 2-3 points in case of a stop. And normally you have seen, you might have seen, friends, whenever I give a call, I normally give a small stop loss and big target. My target is generally 10-15 points. I always give 10-15 points target with a stop loss of maximum 4 to 5 points. So I normally trade 1:3 in the ratio of 1:3. My targets are like this. My minimum target is 1:2, friends. Minimum 1:2 when I'm in live market. Yeah. Otherwise, sometimes when I share for trades for next day, I keep it about sometime 1:1 somewhere. I tell you to book 1:1, but that's in case because we are not confirmed. But once I'm in front of chart and in front of my screen, then my stop loss is small and target is big. Normally 1:2 or 1:3 or even sometimes 1:4 or even 1, sometimes 1:5, friends. I do it like this. Now friends, let me show you this Reliance Capital. Let me open the chart. I will show you. You don't have to see, just see, you watch how I pick a stock, for buy or sell. So here friends, I will go at the beginning of the day. I understand friends, it's a long time now. Hopefully a long time, as my video has been gone long, I can feel let us go fast. See friends, this is today, 1st of January, the new year, first day of the year. See friends, what a wonderful chart, what a wonderful separation in the ADX line, and a wonderful separation from MACD. Both MACD and ADX work equally well. See friends, both work equally well. You see, the super trend has given us a buy in Reliance Capital at 9:35 as per my we can say time. You can see here the super trend has given a buy, and you can see friends, see here, this is the point what I am focusing on. This weighted moving average 21 and 13, it's so quick, so fast, it works. Even I could say that it works equally good or very well like super trend. It gives, whenever it works well, even more than super trend, because super trend sometimes gives false signal, but this moving average of 21 and 13 never gives a wrong signal. You can see it friends. You have to see for separation. Don't just see that it is crossed up and down. Don't just go for that. You have to see a clear separation. And for confirmation, add either MACD or ADX, because you can't rely on a single thing. You have to take the help of the two things. Or for reason, 1 minute, you can add volume also friends. Let me show you. You can add volume indicator also, volume chart also. That also gives you a mode confirmation, yeah, we will keep it done. And see friends, volume, see the volume is increasing. See here, the volume is increasing. You can take the help of either volume and moving averages, or the help of this moving averages, or ADX, or super trend, or ADX, or any of the two friends. Super trend, or you can take any of the two, either super trend or weighted moving average 21 and 13. And for confirmation, you can take either ADX or MACD or even volume indicator, volume chart. You can see friends, you can see this volume increase or decrease in volume, right? You can take volume as a third indicator. You add MACD or ADX, and either of the two, super trend or moving averages combination of 21 and 13 for intraday. This works well in intraday friends. It works superb. There are many people who come across and say don't trade intraday, but I say go and trade intraday. They say buy and delivery based. Friends, nobody is sure. Yeah, sometimes we can use different things, delivery based other things, but you know, nobody is sure about market. Anything can happen next day. But what you can say practically at the live market, that's more important. I focus on this because you can see these moving averages are these even different things. The candles, they can tell you clear signs. They give you clear signs about a trend. So here you see super trend gives us a big candle, then one more candle, higher high and higher high. It has gone to 600 level friends, and it was even my call. I have given a pick for yesterday for today trade. I have given it buy above that was around 580, 73 levels, sorry, 73 levels or 75, I don't remember exactly, because many a time I give different calls sometime and forget, but you can check my channel, I've shared it there. So buy above something 570 and for a target of 600, and next target was 500 and 15 friends, sorry 615, sorry 615. So you can see here it has gone to 600, first target, it was done. Okay, then it came down, and you see friends, you see it has started coming down. So once you see, you could see one or two candles, red candle, opposite candle, you can book profit at this level. Okay, now see, let me show you here. Now you see there is a what? The two moving averages have come very close. The market has gone in a range bound. Then again you can see here super trend has not given any, because super trend is already given, but it has given again a separation, and you can see here it has again rose. So super trend gives once, but you cannot lie once, or you can take small profit and again enter here, book profit and again enter here. See here, the separation continues, right friends? Separation continues. Around MACD you can see the black line is above the red line, or in ADX the green line is above the red line. Okay, but moving is giving a clear indication. Now let us see finally where it gone. Finally at the end of the day, that when the whole market was falling, the super trend has given, and you can see friend, just like super trend, it has given the separation between red and the green line. So this works wonder friends. It's a wonderful strategy. You can play with it in any index, anything. I say you can even play on commodity or anything. It works equally well in every index or every we can say in everywhere, in equity, commodity, everywhere. Okay, so friend, this is my video for today. So, and I hope that it would help you all to become independent traders. Friends, I have promised you all to make you independent traders. So this is my gift to all of you. Now you all go in market, select any stock. Yeah, let me show you THFL. just randomly, you can see here. See friends, it's a clear given a little cell. There's a gap. So once you see the gap, see a little gap of at this point of 594, and let me see how much you can earn. This is 600 easily. 595 to 594 to 600 friends, easily 5 to 6 point easily. So it's enough friends. There are people who play for just 1 rupee or even for 50 paisa. So you can easily make, if you are confirmed, you can take 4 or 5 rupees. I would say you can book profit of 3 rupees even. That's enough. If you are confirmed, you can take it. So friends, it's quite easy. So I close my video here. Let me show you one thing. You see there's a little fall down. Let us see the 595 level, and it has gone down up to 590. This little is not much. You got 2-3 rupees. You have to see other indicators also, friends. You have to take the help of them, because you don't see volume. There's no little bit volume. So you take the help of volume indicator also. So it works really well, friends. So once you get this study, I guarantee you see, friends. See how wonderful. See, super and give buy, it has given a clear separation and stock has gone up. And see here, take account. So friends, you can play in any stock, in anywhere, in any index or even commodity, friends. Any equity, any stock. You just open the chart, look for the place the moving averages, and check for confirmation. Check for the separation between the two. And always play, friends. Always play with your proper risk reward. Once, suppose friends, you have entered here and a crossover has been made here. So you have to exit here at any cost. Don't just expect that it has gone down and it will again come up. So there will be long gap. Maybe it doesn't come back. So don't just sit on your ego, and don't just sit. Don't just be overconfident. Obey what the moving average is showing you. Obey that. You have to obey this thing. I have taken a long time in explaining things, because I'm gifting you. What I'm gifting you today is that big, that this time is nothing in front of that, and that what I'm giving you. Because after this strategy, I guarantee, friends, you will be independent traders. You will work like a professional trader. I guarantee you. This is my gift for you, all of you, for this year. So friends, happy new year to all of you, and happy journey. Have a profitable year, and even year after year you make good profits. And friends, one more important thing I would like to add here, that don't forget to help the poor. Whatever you earn, friends, at least 1, 2 or 5% of that you have to give the help of the poor, the needy one. You can feed them, yeah, you can help them in any way. And one more thing, friends, I request you all that if you share this strategy with anyone, don't charge a single penny, friends. Don't charge anyone. Don't charge anyone. Don't take money from anyone. This is my request, friends. Right, friends? Because friends, when there is someone, it hurts me, friends. If I come to know that anyone is charging for this strategy from anyone, even a single penny, it would hurt me, friends. So it's my request to all of you, don't ask a single penny for this strategy or anything you know, especially for you cannot charge anything from me, friends. It's my request, friends. It's my request. Okay, friends. So I take permission from all of you. It's already been very late. So friends, have a good day, and have a good trading year and years ahead, friends. Okay, all the very best, friends.